Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at BANNERMAN energy. We continue our stroll through the uranium energy stocks, and on this chart I am looking here at a wave 1 up and then a wave 2 down. Now this is my main interpretation, but I do have a secondary scenario that honestly I find pretty similar in likelihood. And then this, in the main interpretation, I would consider as the next wave 1 up. This could have been the wave 2 down, and now we should technically be in the third wave to the upside, considering that this wave 2 doesn't actually extend. It could turn out to be larger ABC, but we will see about that. We actually have a support zone for this secondary 1-2 setup that would be between $2.85 down to around $1.60, and we could realistically still be within this wave 2. Now the correction does have a full 3-wave move, and we do have a decent reaction already to the upside. Now the issue here is that we actually have another 3-wave move in this area, rather of or instead of having a 5-wave move, which we actually need to confirm that we are going into the third wave to the upside, because a third wave is always an impulse, and in this case we need the first wave to be a 5-wave move, and so far it hasn't developed. So I am prepared still for a reset of this wave 2, and I do have a secondary interpretation where I would instead consider this correction in a wave 2 not yet complete, even though we did push higher. We did break the previous high from the wave 1. With this movement to the upside, it could turn out to be an expanded flat correction, or even a running flat correction, a different type of correction that would have an A wave down, an overshooting wave B, and then a C wave to follow to the downside, quite possibly taking us even deeper into the support zone in orange between $1.20 down to around the 30 cents level at the 78.6% retracement. Now we are still quite far from those levels, and it is quite likely that even if we push lower here, we will find support and manage to turn this into a third wave to the upside. But yeah, then we would have this wave 1, the secondary wave 1, be lost, and we would need to actually rebuild that. Now there isn't really much more to say about this stock. What I could say is that if we bottomed here, so if we formed an A wave here, then a B wave here, I would be looking at the C wave to get to ideally the 100% extension normally, but in this case we would quite possibly find support at the 78.6% retracement, which is also the 78.6% extension level, and it is quite a common target for a C wave as well, even if it is not the ideal one. So for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.